The Decoy system is a simple and smart way to set up a scullery area that will make your job easier and faster. In this video we will be, and its importance, focusing on defining the Decoy system. Ever felt overwhelmed in the dishwashing area during a busy lunch or dinner rush? Plates, glasses, cutlery, everywhere. No system, just chaos. Now imagine a setup that makes everything flow smoothly, cleaner, faster, and safer. Welcome to the Decoy system. The Decoy system is a simple and smart way to set up a scullery area that will make your job easier and faster. In this video we will be, and its importance, focusing on defining the Decoy system. Without a system, dishwashing becomes stressful and time-consuming, but with a Decoy system in place, service staff can quickly drop off soiled items correctly, and you, the steward, can focus on loading, washing, and sanitizing with speed and precision. It also minimizes breakage and confusion. Always begin with a clean station. If the area starts messy, it'll only get worse. Keep your counters and tools neat and ready. Set up a bin for solid food scraps, and a bucket for liquids like leftover drinks, soups, and sauces. Service staff must scrape and pour all waste before placing tableware in the system. Your scullery pass should have a V-shaped top with a center bar. On top of the pass, place crates designed for different glassware, wine glasses, water glasses, and tumblers. Once full, the crate slides over the bar into the washer.
Display one of each plate type on the service side of the pass. This lets servers match and stack their dirty plates without confusion. Everything gets sorted quickly and correctly.
Place a wide, flat bucket on the pass filled halfway with pre-soaked solution. To make the solution, mix 10 grams of Decoy K to per liter of water. This loosens food from cutlery and prepares it for machine wash. Set aside a separate flat crate for ceramic items like teacups, coffee pots, and mugs. These are fragile and must not be mixed with heavier items to prevent chips or cracks. Once your Decoy system is in place, your dishwashing area will run smoother than ever. It saves time, reduces breakage, and improves communication between the stewarding and service teams.
A clean and efficient scullery isn't luck. It's smart setup. Master the Decoy system and turn the chaos into calm.
Train smart, work safe, stay efficient. Rough draft.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to learn more.